Good evening, children. In previous session, we have completed exercise 3.2, right? Now, let us continue with exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Write the prime factors of the following numbers. So, first question, A, 216. Let us find out the prime factors of 216. Now, this is divisible by 2, right? Let us divide. So 2 ones are 2, right? Now 16 is there. So let us divide here. If you are not able to divide directly, you can divide like this. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 0. Now take 1, it is not divisible, right? 2 zeros are 0. Now take 6 down, 2 eights are 16. So 108 we get. So 208 is the 216. Now again it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. It will become 14. 2 7s are 14. Right. Next from 2 it is not divisible. Go for 3. 3 9s are 27. Again from 3 3 3s are 9. Now from 3 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors of 216. So 216 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So if you multiply all these prime factors, again we will get 216. Got it, children? How to find out the prime factors of the numbers? Yes. Next question, 132. Now let us find out the prime factors of 132. So from 2, 2 6 are 12, right? So 1 is remaining. Again it will become 12. So 2 6 are 12. Now again from 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now from 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 11 3s are 33, right? Yes. Now from 11, 11 1s are 11. So therefore 132 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Got it, children? And the next question number 2. Find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. So first we have to write the factors of 44 and also factors of 72. Now let us write the factors of 42. Factors of 44. Sorry, 44. So which are the factors of 44? So 44 is divisible by 1, and from 2 also it is divisible. From 4 also it is divisible. Then from 11 it is divisible. From 22, and the last factor is 44. So these are the factors of 44. Now let us write the factors of 72. Okay. So the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Then from 12 it is divisible. Next from 18. Next 24. Then from 36. And the last factor is 72. So from all these numbers, the 72 is divisible. So that these are the factors of 72. Now let us circle the common factors. So 1 is common in both, 2 is also common, next 4 is also common, next which is common, 11 is not common, 22 is not common. So that's it, right? So the common factors of 44 and 72 are, which are the common factors? 1, 2 and 4. 1 comma 2 comma and 4. Got it, children? And the next question number B, 48 and 64. Now let us find out the factors of 48. So which are the factors of 48? So from 1 it is divisible, from 2 it is divisible, then from 3, 4, then 6, then 8, then from 12 it is divisible, then from 16 it is divisible, from 24 it is divisible, and the last factor is 48. So these are the factors of 48. Now let us find out the factors of 64. Okay, so the factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, and from 8 it is divisible, and then from 16 it is divisible, then from 32 it is divisible, and then last factor is 64. Now let us circle the common factors. 1 is common, 2 is common, and 4 is common, and then 8 is common, and the last factor is 16, right? So these are the common factors, right? So therefore common factors of 48 and 64 are, which are the common factors? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Got it, children? How to find out the common factors? And the next question number 3, find the HCF of the following numbers using the prime factorization method. Now let us find out the prime factors of 18 and 118. So 118. So 2 9s are 18. It is divisible by 2, right? 2 9s are 18. And 9 is not divisible by 2. Go for 3. From 3 it is divisible, right? 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Right? And next find out the prime factors of 118. So from 2 it is divisible, right? So 2 5s are 10. So in 11 10 gone. Now 1 is remaining. It will become 18. So 2 9s are 18. Now from 2 it is not divisible. So go for 3. So here 59 is prime number, right? So it is divisible by only 59. So 59 ones are 59. So that 118 is equals to 2 into 59. Now in these two factors, which is common? 2 is common in both of factors, right? So therefore HCF of 18 and 118 is 2. Got it, children? Yes. In next session, we'll continue remaining questions. Thank you.